Back when I was 19, I actually ran a profitable dropshipping store for a while. Now, real quick, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's a business model that allows you to actually run an e-commerce business without having stock of your product. Basically, you run ads, you bring people to your website. When they order off your website, you order from the supplier and the supplier ships directly to them. So you never have to have stock and you can start this business with much lower capital than a normal business. And that's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you my experience dropshipping with $400 for about a week on TikTok ads. Hey there, I hope you're doing well. My name is Marcel, aka Smokecalm. Today, I'm wearing the Patty, which is pretty much a little over our ad budget for this video, but sheesh, I like it. Anyways, let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do to be successful in dropshipping is do some product research that is proven to sell. When I mean proven to sell, I mean someone's already gone out and sold it. But then you're thinking, if someone's already done it, why would I do it? Well, simply because it'll avoid you the hassle of testing different products, which basically costs around $200 every time to test a product if you want to do it well. And this is legit one of the most important parts. Well, funniest thing is I did not go by my advice and I picked a product that was not yet proven to sell. The second thing you're gonna have to do is create a website. Now, the easiest way to do this nowadays is on Shopify. Shopify is a platform that lets you build an e-commerce store, and it's pretty much drag and drop. There's no coding involved on your end. And they also have an app store, which lets you install a myriad of apps on your store to make your life easier and upsell and make more money. The third step is going to be creating your ads and pushing them to the platform. When I mean creating your ads, the first thing you're gonna have to do is create an ad creative. What's an ad creative? It's simply gonna be a video of the product explaining the benefits, its best features, and something that'll make people want to click, that'll make them intrigued so that they'll end up on your website. The second part of creating the ads is signing up to TikTok ads, which is a platform on which you'll be able to spend money to show your ads to people on the TikTok app. Once you've done all that, you're pretty much ready to go, and all you have to do is keep optimizing your ads, your funnel, your website, maybe get faster shipping times for your product, etc., etc. Victory. Well, that was pretty easy. And this is what it looked like. Like it? It's kind of pink, but you know, it works. Now, the product I picked is something that wasn't proven to sell, and it's basically this electric nail drill for like gel and acrylic nails. So we're targeting women with this product, right? The next thing I had to do was set up TikTok ads. The first actual thing I struggled with was, unlike Facebook ads, if you create a French TikTok business account or any other country than the US, you will not be able to target the US with your ads. So I lost like half a day on that. And then I had to use a VPN and change the address in order to create an American TikTok business account, which I eventually figured out. What you're supposed to do in order to make good ads when you dropship is order the product for yourself, make your own ads, your own content, so that it'll convert more, because you'll be able to do whatever shots you want with the product. But instead of doing that, since I'm very impatient, I just took videos off the internet, edited them into like a couple different ads, and threw them into the wild. Now, this is January 10th, the day before the store went live. As you can see, we had 80 people visit the website, but that was just me going on the website, checking if stuff was working, if the different apps I used were working. By the way, if you want to know which ads I've been using for the store, let me know in the comments. And some other of these visits are just TikTok servers checking the website to make sure that the ads and the product I'm selling does not go against their terms of service. Now, let's skip to the 11th, which is when my ads launched. And as you can see, I was pretty lucky in some sense, because a lot of people that start dropshipping don't get a single sale for a while. And on our first day running ads, we actually got $67.97 in sales. 9 people added to cart, 8 people reached the checkout, and 2 sessions converted. We had 3 total orders with 1 returning customer. Our average order value was $22.66. My products are priced between $19.99 and $27.99. And most of our traffic obviously came from the United States. I checked the website like 18 times, but that's just what you got to do. You can see right here that the sales were made through TikTok, so that was our advertising. But the question is, how much did we spend in ads in order to make that $67.97 in revenue? Well, funny enough, we were actually profitable on our first day. We had spent $36.58 on the ads. Our product cost was $8.08 times 2 and $11.20 shipped. So, plus our ad budget, that was $36.58. We actually made like $4, but if you consider that PayPal takes 4% of every transaction made, we probably just made a couple cents. That being said, for me, having sales on the first day, it was proof of concept, and I just decided to throw the budget into the ads and let's ride it out. Let's start making some profit. Eventually, people will talk about it, tell their friends about the product, and bring more people to the store. Also, another thing that could happen is that my ads would optimize through the TikTok pixel, which means that my ads would actually learn what kind of people are buying, and they would target people that are lookalike. So my ad costs would go down and I'd get more sales. Well, that's not really what happened, because the next day we made $44.98 in sales. That was 2 sales. I had adjusted the price of my product to be a little lower, and we spent $70 on ads. So we just weren't profitable at all. The day after that, we made $0 in sales and spent $33 on advertising. The day after that, we again made 0 in sales and spent $101 on advertising. The day after that, we again made $0 in sales and we had spent $38 in advertising. And finally, today we've made $17.99 in sales because someone used a discount code, and we spent $9.61 in advertising. So today we're pretty much break even. So how much did we make? What's our revenue? What's our profit, if there is any profit? And why did that happen? Well, first of all, here are the numbers. Yeah, they don't look that good. You know, they're not great. One of the reasons is that I picked a product that doesn't really have this wow effect. It's basically just something that you could get off of Amazon. There's nothing super interesting about it. It's kind of harder to promote. My angle while promoting this product was do your nails at home, save money instead of going to the nail salon. The ad strategies that I used were from a couple different YouTubers. This one was total actual BS. It did get sales, but I mean, when you're spending $43 per sale, it's just not great. I'm not giving up just yet because I actually ordered a product in the same nail niche that can go on this website that I'll receive in a couple days, and I'm pretty sure this will be a winner. I haven't seen it drop shipped yet. It has that wow effect. It has an okay price from the supplier, which I can probably sell for at least 2.5 times what I pay for it. And I believe that it's not going to be that hard to make good ads for it. So if you want to see this part 2 with a new product, follow me in this journey of making some more income through different side hustles like dropshipping, make sure to scroll down a little bit, hit that red subscribe button, make it turn gray. It's free, and if you get annoyed with me after a while, you can just unsubscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've ever dropshipped, what was your experience with it, if you'd like to try it. If you have any advice for me as well that I can implement to the store. And if you're one of these drop shipping gurus or YouTuber or coaches, hit me up. Let's work together. Let's make some great content together in a store that will be profitable. On that note, it was your boy Marcel, aka Smokehound, and I'll catch you guys in another one.